Here's a 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe. This award-winning SUV is where premium style and purposeful capability collide. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, leather bucket seats, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. Of the Tahoe, Edmunds.com comments, its handsome cabin with impressive fit and finish, comfortable ride, smooth powertrain can accommodate up to 9 passengers. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.